I am not amused at all. So I go outside, start my car to go to work, and it won't fucking start. I don't know, I'm pissed off. It was working so fine too. It was working really good. But I knew since it's been raining that it wouldn't work. It's gonna be a long day.
Good morning, guys. So just ignore the makeup all over my face. I got home too late last night to get a shower. So I'm fixing to go do that, but I'm trying to find Nova and I can't find him anywhere, so I'm trying to call for him. Novi! Novi, where are you? Scooby! Scooby-Doo! She just looks like she gave up. Oh gosh, she looks so big right there. Novi! Ginge? Novi! Novi, where are you? Novi! Novi, where are you? He's not answering. He'll usually come running. I don't know where he is. Look who decided to come out. Novi, where were you? Dude! Oh, thank you, Novi. I'm on my way to Justin's. His car won't start again, so we're gonna try and get it fixed. He's just gonna have to cave and finally get a new starter. I'm making him go with me to Target to go look at nail polish because he's making me come over and help him. Yeah. I feel like that's a pretty good trade-off. That's just me.
The victory is mine. It started, everybody. It's running. For some reason I couldn't find it this morning. It was right in front of my face. I knew exactly where it was. I guess because I was sleepy. But I took this hammer up there. I hung a pair of headphones down because it's really small in there. So to find out exactly where the starter was, I just hung a pair of headphones down and I followed it up. And I knocked it like 3 times, got in the car, started right up. I don't know. So I'm a liar apparently, because earlier I said I fixed my car. Well, I didn't fix it, but it started running. I turned it off a few minutes later to reset the maintenance required light, and the sumbitch wouldn't start. So it still won't start now. So I don't know. My friend said he'd take me to work, pick me up on his way to work tomorrow.
Back to work Friday?
Yes. So I don't know.